Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Lincoln Navigator Select. It has only one previous owner and comes with auto-dimming power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 20-inch ultra bright machined aluminum wheels, performance tires, speed sensitive rain detecting wipers, tow hooks, adaptive automatic headlamps, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 21,067 miles. The power liftgate, the rear wiper, the lift up glass hatch, a spacious cargo area with a power folding third row seat, and a comfortable second row with climate controls. The front row, power heated and cooled leather seating with driver memory, dual zone auto climate control, a garage door opener, a push button start, and a power adjustable steering wheel with convenience controls. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the multimedia and navigation system with a CD player, traffic updates and Bluetooth, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.